Hey guys, so we are in Turnleaf in Punta Gorda, Florida. This is Perry Homes, and oh my gosh, what a treat we have. So this is a model. We've got a 2-car garage here behind all these shrubberies, and then we have a 1-car garage here. We are going in. This is going to blow your mind. This model is, their models are named after the square footage. So it's 2683, right, John? You have a office or den right here. Look at how high our ceilings are. This is access to our garage. We're going to touch that in a minute. OMG, check out this kitchen. This kitchen is drop dead gorgeous. I love all this counter space, all this counter space, all this counter space, all that counter space. We've got soft close. We've got dovetail. Check out this pantry. You guys, you know I love a pantry. That's enough to make me sell my house right now and move. These ceilings, I don't even have words to say. This is beautiful. And then of course you've got your living space. Here they have this kind of speakeasy thing going on. This might be a dining room, but obviously you've got plenty of space right here for a full dining room table. I am just loving how unique that this floor plan is. Okay, down here we have kind of like kids' row, right? At least that's how they've decorated it. We have a bedroom here. We've got a Jack and Jill bathroom. We've got another bedroom here. It's decorated for kiddos, but you can use it for anything you want. I'm not labeling this a family home. You can, and then you've got this drop station because here's our garage. So that's super fabulous. So then what I said was that was a different garage. That's right. Because they've got the 2 kind of garages. Let's keep going over here. And you won't believe what's over there. Okay, this is our owner's suite. King size bed, 2 large chests of drawers, dresser, seating area, the space in here, the height of these ceilings. Check out this bathroom. Oh my God. You have 2 his and hers cabinets and sinks and so forth. Obviously your soaking tub. You've got 2 walk-in closets, a his and hers. You have this walk-in shower. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Toilet. We all need that. Okay, let's keep going. I am dying over these ceilings and these beams, and this kitchen is just blowing my mind. This is a really great bathroom for guests. And here is another bedroom. So, with a walk-in closet, y'all. So we've got 4 bedrooms, plus a den, plus that speakeasy room, laundry room over here, nice and quiet, never gonna hear it. Oh, I locked myself in. And then look at this. Look at this ceiling. Look at this. Look at this nice space that you have. You're undercover. Oh my goodness, just adorable. I love it. Okay, so if you're interested in this, we're at Perry Homes in Turnleaf. Go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, follow me. Y'all know what to do. Let's talk about your wish list.